Chapter 32, The Significance of Itai Doshin. The term Itai Doshin means, quote, of different bodies but one mind, unquote. Dotai Ishin means, quote, of one body yet of different minds, unquote. The phrase Itai Doshin appears in two of Nichiren Daishonin's Goshos, quote, on Itai Doshin, unquote, and, quote, the heritage of the ultimate matter of life and death, unquote. In the latter, the Daishonin expounded, all disciples and believers of Nichiren should chant Nam-myoho Renge Kyo in Itai Doshin, transcending all differences between themselves and disregarding all extraneous matters, to become as close as fish and the water in which they swim. Herein exists the general transmission of the ultimate matter of life and death. Gosho, page 514. In the Gosho, quote, on Itai Doshin, unquote, the term is discussed in the body of the Gosho's text. If Itai Doshin prevails, the people will achieve all their goals. However, in Dotai Ishin, they can achieve nothing remarkable. The over 3,000 volumes of Confucian and Taoist literature are filled with examples. King Chao of Yin led 700,000 soldiers into battle, fighting against King Wu of Zhou and his 800 men. But King Chou's army lost because of disunity. King Wu's army defeated him because of perfect unity. Though numerous, the Japanese will find it difficult to accomplish anything. This is because they are divided in spirit. In contrast, I believe that even though Nichiren and his followers are few in number, because they are acting in Itai Doshin, they will accomplish their great mission of propagating the Lotus Sutra, Gosho, page 1389. This teaches that achieving goals, attaining victory, and accomplishing a great mission are the effects of Itai Doshin. In this passage, the Daishonin refers to Dotai Ishin as an antonym of Itai Doshin and uses King Chou of the Yin and his army as an example of what happens with Dotai Ishin. They were defeated due to the disparate motives, attitudes, and goals of the 700,000 separate individuals in the army. This is an example of being of different minds despite being of one body. The Daishonin explains that likewise the Japanese people, though, quote, of one body, unquote, in the sense of all being Japanese, can achieve little because they are of many different minds. As followers of Nichiren Daishonin, we can definitely propagate the true law throughout the entire world if we are in Itai Doshin. Today, Nichiren Shoshu lay believers practice in every country of the world. Even though they are different in race, region, and language, they are all of the same mind in believing and practicing the teachings of Nichiren Daishonin. They all exert themselves to propagate true Buddhism under the guidance of the high priest. For followers of Nichiren Daishonin, the source of Itai Doshin is the mind or spirit of the Daishonin himself. In the, quote, true entity of life, unquote, Nichiren Daishonin teaches, always maintain your faith as a votary of the Lotus Sutra and forever exert yourself as a disciple of Nichiren. If you are of the same mind as Nichiren, then you must be a bodhisattva of the earth. Gosho, page 666. It is essential that we be of the, quote, same mind as Nichiren, unquote. We accomplish this by basing our faith and practice on the guidance of the high priest who has inherited the heritage of the law, having faith in the Daigohonzon of the high sanctuary of the essential teaching, Honman, the spirit of Nichiren Daishonin as the true Buddha, and by becoming aware of our mission as bodhisattvas of the earth. This attitude is the same as that of venerating and having faith in the three treasures of the Buddhism of the Soen, the true Buddha and founder of our school, Nichiren Daishonin, the Daigohonzon, the supreme object of worship, and the successive high priests, the legitimate heirs to the law, beginning with the second high priest, Nikko Shonin, who received directly from the Daishonin what is, quote, only understood and shared between Buddhas, unquote, up to our current high priest, Nichinyo Shonin. It is essential for us, the disciples and believers of Nichiren Daishonin, to transcend differences in nationality, race, and language, and together continuously exert ourselves to achieve our great aspiration for Kosen Rufu in Itai Doshin, based on faith in the three treasures of the Buddhism of the sowing. The significance of Itai Doshin lies not only in harmony or unity for its own sake. Itai Doshin is significant because through it we will together move toward our ultimate objective of realizing the great aspiration for Kosen Rufu. For the sake of Kosen Rufu, people who believe in the Buddhism of Nichiren Daishonin must achieve the unity of Itai Doshin and create groups with Itai Doshin. Especially in the present time, the key to Itai Doshin is for all priests and lay believers to gather together on the direction of the high priest. Quote, restore the way of our founder, unquote. Quote, move forward toward Kosen Rufu, unquote. And quote, forge real Itai Doshin, unquote, are fundamental guidelines that the high priests have emphasized for Nichiren Shoshu believers. We must carry out faith, practice, and study based on, quote, chanting Nam-myoho Renge-kyo in Itai Doshin, transcending all differences between ourselves, and disregarding all extraneous matters to become as close as fish in the water in which they swim.